There are only 100 days left in this year. Think about that promise you made to yourself and your family. The one where you said you were done struggling and would finally start making money. The reason most people never get to that point is simple. They never start. They keep saying, I'll do it tomorrow. But what if tomorrow was today? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start earning your first income before this year ends. I'm not here to tell you that you'll get rich in 30 days. This is for people who are ready to put in the work. And if that's you, you can easily earn $300, $500 a month with the skills I'm about to show you. Let's start with the skills that are easiest to learn. They cost $0 to start, and you can do them with just your phone. This is where you make your first income. Short form video editing. Have you noticed how every big creator and podcast has tons of short videos on Instagram and YouTube? They need someone to make them. You can learn to do this in 3 to 4 weeks. You can easily charge $20 to $50 per reel, or even get a monthly retainer of $300 to $500 for a full package. Script writing. This is one of the most in-demand skills out there right now. I have no idea why more people aren't talking about it. The truth is, a great video is nothing without a great script. People are paying top dollar for it. And the best part, you can do all the work right on your mobile phone. If you're ready to put in the effort, you can learn this in 2 months and start earning. You can charge just 10 cents per word. So imagine this. A 10-minute video script usually has around 1,200 words. That means for just one script, you can easily earn $120 to $150. YouTube thumbnail design. A thumbnail is the first thing a viewer sees, and a great one can get you thousands of clicks. You don't need expensive software. You can learn to create awesome thumbnails using free apps on your phone. You can learn this in 1 to 2 weeks. You can easily charge $10 to $20 per thumbnail to start, and an active creator might need 4 or more a month from you. Copywriting. This skill is all about writing text that convinces people to take action. It's the words you see on websites and emails and on social media ads. You don't need a degree. You just need to understand what makes people buy things. A beginner copywriter can easily get paid to write email newsletters or product descriptions for small businesses, and this can add up fast. You can learn this in 2 to 3 months. You can charge $50 to $100 per email or $500 per small project. UGC creator. This is probably the easiest way to start. Brands need videos for their ads that look real, not like big commercials. They will pay you to use your phone to record yourself using their products. You can learn this in 3 to 4 weeks. You can make $50 to $200 per video from brands. Now, if you're ready to put in more work and earn a lot more money, these skills take a little longer to learn, maybe 6 to 8 months, but they are where the real income is. Advanced video editing and motion graphics. This is the next level of editing. When you master software like Adobe After Effects or DaVinci Resolve, you can add cool animations and graphics to a video. It makes a video look 100 times more professional. Brands will pay huge amounts for these kinds of videos. You can charge $100 to $500 per finished minute of video, so a 10-minute project can easily be worth thousands of dollars. Social media manager. Every business knows they need to be on social media, but most don't know how. You can be the expert who manages their pages. You'll handle the full content strategy, planning what to post, understanding the analytics, and even running ads. You can charge a monthly retainer of $1,000 to $3,000 per client because you are a business's secret weapon for growth. No-code AI app building. This sounds complicated, but it's not. With new tools, you can build your own simple AI apps and websites without writing a single line of code. Businesses need these to automate their work. You can build a simple AI chatbot for a business and charge them a project fee of $500 to $5,000, depending on how complex the project is. And for those who want to build a business that can truly change your life, these paths take a few years to build, but they can make you a millionaire. Build your own agency. Start by offering one skill, like video editing, and get really good at it. Then you can hire a small team to help you. Instead of just doing the work yourself, you'll be running a business. This allows you to serve many clients at once and scale your income into a 6-figure salary and beyond. Build your personal brand. This is the most powerful thing you can do. You are the product. Start a YouTube channel, a blog, or a social media page. Talk about what you know and love. It takes time, but once you build a community and their trust, you can make unlimited money in so many different ways, from selling your own products to landing huge brand deals. I'm going to be honest with you. Most people watching this will fail. And it's not because you aren't smart enough. It's because you jump from one thing to the next. You try editing for a week, then try script writing, then go to trading. You can do anything, but you can't do everything. You have to focus. Pick one thing from this video, just one. And I challenge you to stick with it for at least 3 months. Don't look at anything else. Don't get distracted. If you want to win, you have to choose a skill and commit. Now, go make it happen.